I'm Jess from Decoist, and today I'm going to show you how to make an eye-catching wall gallery using some picture frames and a calendar. Let's get started. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hang your picture frames using a template. Today we are going to be using some craft paper and picture hanging nails. If you're working with a brick or plaster wall, you're going to want to pick up some command hooks. Choose a wall that you want to decorate. I'm going to use this wall behind me. Pick a picture and color theme. This is the most important step to creating an eye-catching masterpiece. For my wall gallery, I've chosen a sunset theme. This room has dark walls, so I needed something to really brighten up the space. For this reason, I've also purchased some white picture frames. Now it's time to create our wall template. Doing so will ensure that all of our pictures are lined up and that we don't unnecessarily damage our walls. It will also give you a great idea of which pictures go where. For this step, you will need a roll of crafting paper. Place your frame on top and using a pencil, trace around the outside of your frame. Now that we've traced our frames, it's time to cut. My templates are all cut. Place your template on the back of the frames and using a pencil, mark a spot where the hanging hardware goes. This will ensure accuracy when it comes time to hang the pictures. Now we're going to tape our templates to the wall. All right, so my templates are in place and now it's time to put some hanging nails in my markings. Okay, so I'm ready to hang my pictures, but before I get started, I'm gonna write down which picture belongs where. Use a level to make sure that your pictures are lined up just right. Voila! Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you saw, make sure you subscribe to our channel and give us a comment below. Let us know which DIY projects you want to see next.